Hi guys, I'm gonna try to solve medium level question problem. I might not be able to finish it because someone need to visit my house pretty soon. But let's try the best. Okay, so let me sort with acceptance, and then let's find something with higher frequency. This one, and this one. Design browse history. Okay, let's this or this. Try to solve this or this. Pretty good. This one is pretty good too. Okay, let's try this. Design browse history. Let's set the timer. Then this problem is seems pretty, yeah. You have browser of one tab where you start on the home page and you can visit another URL. Go back in the history number of steps or move forward in the history number of steps. Implement browser history class. Browser history homepage. Initialize the object with the homepage of the browser. Visit URL, the current page. It clears up all the forward history. Okay. String back. Move steps back in the history. If you can return X step in the history, it will return only X page. X step. Return the current URL after moving. Move steps forward. If you can only forward X step in the history and step is larger than X, you forward only X step. Return the current URL after. Okay. So for example, LeetCode.com, Google, Facebook, YouTube, and then back, which will return Facebook, and then back, which will return Google, and then forward, which will return Facebook, and visit LinkedIn.com, and then the tree will be Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Then forward to LinkedIn.com, back to Google, and then browser history back 7, Google. Oh, LeetCode.com, which is the first one. Okay. So the homepage length is 20. Homepage length. What is homepage length? This one. URL is less than 20. Length, URL length. Yeah, homepage is also URL. And then steps 100. And the homepage and URL consist of dot or lowercase English letter. So which means that we can have this much vector, and then I guess so. Private vector string and history, then this history, history dot resize 100. So it has now 100, 1 to 100. Okay, so and then we need to have the current page into current, which is 0. Initially is 0. So currently 0. And then also we can do this with 100, right? And then we have backward, but forward can be changed. So we also need to forward index, right? Then this is 0. So, and then this is not empty. What we need to do is we need to add history 0 equals home page. And then here widget means that current URL, and also forward should be current. Back steps means current minus equals step. But let's try this first. So if current minus step is 0. So for example, if current is 1, and then step 1 means 0, so it makes sense. But when it is negative, we have to do that current is 0, right? Yeah. So actually current is current larger than step, which is the normal case. Is current, or let's do this. Current minus step is this. In the case current minus step, otherwise 0. And then return history current. Yeah. So for example, if current is 1 and step is 1, which means that we need to go back to 0 string URL. So in the case current minus step is 0. But when step is 2 and current is 1, which means that you need to go back to 2 step, which makes this negative, right? In the case, we can do this. And in case of forward, also similar. So if forward, if current plus step is larger than forward. Well, in the case current is forward. So current is if this forward, otherwise current plus step, right? So for example, if LeetCode is in the stack, is in the history and Google and Facebook. So this is 0, 1, 2. And then let's say that current is here. And then if step is 1, which means that we need to return Facebook, right? So in the case, current is 1 and step is 1. And then forward is currently 2, right? Forward is 2. So this is so we'll return 2 here. And then this will actually return history, current, right? If step is 2, then we'll return forward, right? Then step must be, of course, positive, as mentioned in here. Then here, we need to increase for current. And then we'll add, and then we'll move. So initially, current is here. Initially, here. Current is here, and forward is here, and then this is like a. And then index 1, if we add a visit B here, then current will move to here, and then forward will move to here too. Then if we visit the second one more to the C, current will move to here and forward will move to here. And then if we back to 2, which is that the step is 2, so this will be 0. So current will be here, right? And then if we move forward 2 step, then current plus step is 2, which is, so this one, let's do this, because this is the normal case. In this case, current will be here, and then, yeah, but when it is 3, current will be here, and then move forward to like this. So I think this is it. And yeah, step is 100, so we may need some error check about the forward, the scope of the forward. But in here, I think it's okay. But the almost 5,000 code will be made on page steps. Oh, this is steps. 어, 알았어. 알겠어. Oh, so I guess we cannot. 아니야. I guess we cannot do this with 100. Length. 5,000 call will be made. Yeah, so so instead of doing this, we have to add this into history for the 0 and then fidget. So current plus. So if current is less than history.size, then we can do this. Otherwise, you have to increase. Yeah. And then back does not create any more space for inside history. Yeah, so let's try this case. So at first, let's write some case in here. So at first, so initially you first try to, so this is 1, 2, 3, and then LeetCode was first site, and then Google, and then Facebook, and then YouTube, right? So initially history has LeetCode, yeah, and then visit Google. So visit is here. Current is initially 0, but now it's 1, and then 1 is not this, yeah, because this is also 1, so we'll replace this. So Google is the size, and the size vector size is now 2, and then current is now 1, and for this 1, right? And then adding Facebook, so same thing, Facebook, so this is now 3, 2, 2, and then one more, which is YouTube, now this 4, 3, 3, and then we'll go back to 1. So here current is 3, and the step is 1, so yeah, current minus step is 2, so current will be 2, and we'll return history current 2, which is Facebook. Yeah, that's correct. And then here another back 1, so So current is 2 and step is 1. So this will be 1. So current will be 1. And then history 1 is Google. So we'll return this. Okay. And then forward 1. So here in forward 1, current is 1 and step is 1. So this value is 2 and forward is 3. So this will be used. So current will be 2, right? And then Facebook will be returned, which is correct. And then we'll go to linkedin.com from here. So current will be increased, so which will be 3, right? And then current is less than history size, because size is currently 4. So we'll remove this, replace this with linkedin.com. Okay. And then for this current, so here, yeah. So here, for the 2 is currently current is 3 and 2 is greater than this. So forward will be returned, which is 3. Yeah, so 3 will be returned. Then back to, so here back, current is 3 and step is 2. So this one is 1. The current will be 1. And then it will return Google. Okay. And then back 7. So current is 1, step is 7, so this is a negative number. So 0 will be returned. It will be the new value for the current. Yeah. Forward. Oh, forward. Okay. Back, forward. Let's change it to recent. Recent, last, or maybe top, top. Steps. Yeah, accepted, and then pretty easy, even though this is a medium question. Okay, so let's stop here. Bye.